everybody, it's me Bekesa and welcome back to our channel here at the Canva Cafe. Today's tutorial is going to be how to upload your fonts into Canva. And here I'm using Creative Fabrica is the website that I'm using, and as you can see they have a lot of fonts to choose from and a lot of free ones. You can star them to save them for later or save them to Pinterest or wherever you like, but we're going to use this one. It's called Hey Jennifer, and if you like this font, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can try it. So here they allow you to preview the font to see if you like it. You're able to type in a word or a phrase so you can see how it would look to see if you really want to choose it as your font. Why am I talking like a robot? Actually, I had to record this the second time because I lost the footage. Look, I had to re-edit this and everything, so yeah. So this is what it looks like and I like it, so I'm going to choose it. And it also shows you what the font looks like when you write different phrases, what all the letters look like, and you can click for more to see all of the typography that's included, whether it be the numbers or the punctuation, so you can see how it looks. So I'm just going to hit download. And this is a free font that I'm downloading, by the way. It comes with commercial use and it gives you all the details, which is good. And now I'm in Canva and I'm going to go to my brand kit because I'm going to upload it there. And because I have Canva Pro, I have several brand kits, and if you would like to use Canva Pro free for 30 days, I have a link in my description that you can use it to try it. Try it, you may like it. So here's my brand kit and the fonts I already have. And you can see these are all the fonts I have previously uploaded into my brand kit. And all you have to do is click upload, and wherever your files are located, it will open. And all you have to do is open the files. And a lot of the fonts come in two types. It's called true font and open font. And the open font one just means it's universal to a lot of other platforms. So that's the one I choose to download. And I'm going to speed through the download process because I previously uploaded a lot of fonts into my computer before this tutorial. So I'm uploading them now into Canva. And I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but whatever brand kit you loaded on that's where the fonts will be. So if you have several brand kits, be mindful of where you load the fonts because that's where the font will be. So I'm back inside of Canva and I did refresh Canva so that the fonts will load. So if you don't see your fonts, just refresh it. And now I'm just applying all the fonts so that you can see what they look like. And let me know in the description or in the comment section which font is your favorite. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a thumbs up, make sure you share, and don't forget to subscribe. And leave in the comment section, besides the font that you like, what other tutorials you would be interested in me making. And once again, thank you for watching. And I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow along. If not, just leave your questions and I'll be sure to answer it as soon as I can. I gotta go to these people's job in the morning, so I got to go to bed. But thanks again. Love you. Bye-bye.